Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Junior Preschool. In this video, we are coloring the bee which is drawn in the last video. Let's start. This is the picture we have drawn, and for these we require a yellow color crayon sketch pen. Okay, you can use pencil color also. Here we are going to color the bee with this yellow color. Yes, like this we have to complete the bee and color it nicely. Everyone be focused while coloring the picture. Don't go outside. This is the mouth of the bee, and we have to color this mouth. Very nice. Okay, we must color the bee with yellow color. Yes, this is our bee, and we can color this bee with pen, sketch pen, pencil or crayon. Yes, color the bee with yellow color. Yes, the bee is ready now. It's going to be ready. Color it nicely. Don't be hurry. Okay. Like this, you have to color the bee. This is the drawing of bee, and we are going to color this bee with the yellow color. Yes, and our bee is looking very nice and pretty. We have to color this portion with black color. Yes, like this. And now our bee is ready. Yes, this is the bee. Thank you.